Plug in the power supply and connect the printer and computer with the USB cable. Open the printer cover. Load the paper with the printed side facing up. Switch on the printer. Automatic paper rewind, no paper waste. Press and hold for 3 seconds. Release when you hear a beep to calibrate the paper. Press and hold for 6 seconds. Release after hearing two beeps to print a test page. Launch the Google Chrome and click the Extensions button. Click ORGSTA Printer. Search for ORGSTA using the search bar. Click ORGSTA Printer. Click Add to Chrome button in the top right corner. Click Connection, select T1 and click Connect. T1 paired successfully. Launch the Google Chrome and click the Extensions button. Click ORGSTA Printer. You can edit the desired paper size here. Open the file you want to print and click the Print button. Click See More. In Destination field, click ORGSTA Printer to select it. The default paper size is for 6. Complete printing.